Welcome to this video. This is the continuation of the textbook exercise of lesson number 7, boat race around the world. In the previous video, you have seen the grammar A exercise where we have done past perfect tense in the fill-ups form. Here we are going to start with page number 82, B exercise. Rewrite these sentences in your notebook using the past perfect tense. Here we are going to rewrite the sentence in past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, we have to get the first action and add had with the third form of the verb, which shows the past perfect tense. Now, see the first one, answer is given here. We started watching the match at 4 p.m. Saurabh Ganguly scored a century at 3:30 p.m. Saurabh Ganguly had already scored a century before we started watching the match. This is what in this sentence we understand. So how the sentence will come? When we started watching the match, Saurabh Ganguly had already scored a century. Now see the second question. We packed our bags yesterday. The trip was cancelled today. Which action happened first? The packing of bags. Now how the sentence will come with the past perfect tense? We had already packed our bags when the trip was cancelled. Now the third one, they changed the tires in the morning. They took the car out in the evening. So what happened first? The changing of tires in the morning. So how the sentence will come? They had changed the tires before taking out the car. In this way also we can write the sentence. Fourth one, I met Gaurav in 2012. He became famous in 2015. So 2012 comes first. How the sentence will come? I had met Gaurav years before he became famous. In this way we have to write the sentence. Fifth one, the clothes dried in the sun. 5 minutes later it started raining. Now how this one will come? The clothes had just dried when it started raining. Next one, last. She used crayons till class 4. She bought her first watercolors in class 5. So what is the answer for this one? Past perfect tense. She had used crayons till class 4 but she bought watercolors in class 5. So in this way we have to construct sentences in the past perfect tense. Now see the vocabulary. Next exercise. Here some words are given in the blue box and we have to use these words to fill in the blanks. But before that I would like to tell you something. In English there are some words which are having the same spellings but different meanings. Here also the words which are given in the blue box are having the same spelling with the different meanings, and these meanings are written in the option A and B. Okay, we have to write the correct word in the blanks and we have to tick the correct meaning of that word. We have to find out the correct word by reading the sentence. Let us do that. First one is given here and the answer is also given here. See that we do not have a minute to spare. Okay, answer is minute. And what is the meaning of minute here? A unit of time. minute is also pronounced as minute with the meaning tiny. Second one, please remember to dash the watch. See the meanings. Moving air, turn a handle round and round to make something work. So which word will fit here? The word wind. Wind will come in the blank. And what will be the meaning? Moving air is not working here. So the meaning is turn a handle round and round to make something work. Next one. Paroma dashed into the swimming pool. Paroma jumped into the swimming pool. Of course, what is the word for jumped? And the next option, next meaning is a kind of bird. So which word will come here? Dove. Dove has got the meaning jumped and also a kind of bird. So that will be the answer. Next one. I saw a dash of pretty dolls in the toy shop. The meanings which are given here: a line of people or things, an angry noisy quarrel. Line means row. Yes, I saw a row of pretty dolls in the toy shop, and the meaning will be a line of people or things. Next one. After wrapping the gift, let us tie the ribbon in a dash. Meanings given are to bend to show respect, a knot with two curved pieces and two loose ends. Yes, which word fits here? Bow? Yes, bow. And a bow, what will be the meaning which goes with bow word? A knot with two curved pieces and two loose ends. So that will be the answer. Now the last one. Tina will dash the class 5 quiz team. The last option is lead, and the meanings: be in a command of a group, a kind of soft metal. So which meaning will come here? Be in a command of a group. She is leading a group. So in this way we have done this exercise also. So the answers are: second one, wind. Option B, turn a handle round and round to make something work. Third one, answer is dove. The meaning is jumped. Fourth one, answer is row. Meaning is a line of people or things. Fifth one, bow, and it is a knot with two curved pieces and two loose ends. Last one, lead, meaning be a command of a group. Now the next exercise is a listening exercise. Here I am going to tell you the answers. You just note it down. First answer, the train number, first one is: Meena wants to go to Patna. Her train number is 13051 and it will depart at 9:30 p.m. Second one, Sam's aunt is arriving at 10 p.m. Her train is Howrah Mail and it will come to platform number 7. Third one, Alice class is going on a trip to Trivandrum. Their train number is 17899. They should go to platform number 2. Last one, Rajesh is returning to Chennai on train number 12422. His train is Nagpur Express and it will arrive at 10:45 p.m. So write down all these answers. 13051, 9:30 p.m. Second one, Howrah Mail, 7. Third one, 17899, 2. Fourth one, Nagpur Express, time is 10:45 p.m. Now see the next exercise. Work in group of 4. Have a discussion about the things you have read in this text. Now for this, when you are sitting among with your friends, you can have this activity. You can have this discussion. You can talk about something similar that you have experienced. Have you ever seen a boat race? Have you watched a similar festival on TV? You can ask about something that you find interesting. What kind of clothes is worn in this festivals? How have these festivals changed over the years? You can listen to each other, ask question to each other, and try to answer your friends' questions too. To do this activity, you can take the help of your elders at home, because now you have to do this activity at home with your even with your family members, or with some of your friends who are near to your home. Have a discussion and do this activity by your own. Now the next is punctuation. Punctuation is something which is related to the symbols which are used in the sentences. Full stops, commas, then apostrophes, question marks, semicolons, all these are known as punctuation marks. So here we are going to do the apostrophes. Possessive apostrophe in the first exercise. Possessive apostrophe is used to show that something belongs to a person or animal. It tells us about the ownership of something. Now see the exercise A. Place apostrophes in the correct places in these sentences. First one, Harry's clock is missing. Whose clock is missing? Harry's. Owner is Harry. So we have to put apostrophe in the name of the owner, Harry. Okay, and apostrophe will come after Y and before S. In between Y and S. Harry's clock is missing. Now the next one. My rabbit's tail is short and fluffy. Whose tail we are talking about? Rabbit's tail. So apostrophe will come between T and S. Now the next one. I found different birds' feathers in the garden. Now different birds means it is a plural noun. So when we are using apostrophes with the plural noun, S is already there. Plural means with S. So we have to put the apostrophe after that S. It tells us that it is a plural noun we are talking about. So BIRDS, then apostrophe. Next one. Elena's brother studies with me. Whose brother? Elena's brother. So apostrophe will come between A and S. Next one. These artists' exhibition is on at National Art Gallery. Whose exhibition? These word tell us that it is a plural noun again. So apostrophe will come after S, ARTISTS, and then apostrophe. Now the last one. The sisters' shoes were of same size. Here also same. Sisters' shoes means we are talking about plural noun. The apostrophe will come after S. Sisters, SISTERS, and apostrophe. Now copy down these answers. Harry's clock is missing. My rabbit's tail is short and fluffy. I found different birds' feathers in the garden. Elena's brother studies with me. These artists' exhibition is on at National Art Gallery. The sisters' shoes were of same size. Now the next one is apostrophe of contraction. Now here what happens when we use the apostrophe in place of a missing letter, or to shorten two words into one, to make the short forms of the words. I will tell you with an example. For example, what is, WHAT, what, and the other word is is, IS. This is the full form, and when we write the short form with the help of an apostrophe, we combine two words into one word. Let us see how we combine what is with an apostrophe. What's, WHAT, apostrophe S. I is missing here, and in place of I we have used apostrophe. The apostrophe for contraction is also used to make a negative sentence. Negative sentence, when we use not, not, we use apostrophe in place of O. We write not as N apostrophe T. So, with the helping word, this not word is used with an apostrophe, and in that way negative sentences are also formed. Let us do the exercise. Rewrite these sentences using the apostrophe for contraction. First one, answer is given. Have you not seen this film? It's a negative sentence, and the answer for this is haven't you seen this film? Helping verb have and negative word not comes together, and not not is written as N apostrophe T. So in this way, haven't you seen this film? Now see the next one. I'm going to buy a bag. How this will come? Am is a helping verb, and here I am is written here. We will make it a short form. I apostrophe M am. I'm going to buy a bag. Next one. She would recognize the player. Now would is a helping verb. We will make the short form she would. How it will come? SH is she, then apostrophe and D. So here we have omitted WOUL. Instead of WOUL we have put an apostrophe. She apostrophe and D. Next one, fourth one. Should they not reach by 7? Now this is a negative sentence. So how it will come? Shouldn't they reach by 7? Next one. The letter has not arrived yet. Here also negative sentence. So the answer will be the letter hasn't arrived yet. Next one. Sixth one. Vicky is the nicest person I know. Now here Vicky and is. Okay, we have to use apostrophe in between these two words. So how it will come? VICKY apostrophe S. I is omitted here. Vicky is the nicest person I know. Next one. You did not give me the address. Here, easy one. You didn't give me the address. He will know where to find the book. Full form he, HEWILL. Short form he, then apostrophe double L. He'll know where to find the book. So these are the answers. I'm going to buy a bag. She would recognize the player. Shouldn't they reach by 7? The letter hasn't arrived yet. Vicky is the nicest person I know. You didn't give me the address. He'll know where to find the book. So this was all about apostrophe for contraction. Now see the life skill. A single boat in the Vallamkali has 100 oarsmen, 4 elsmen and 25 singers. All these people have to work together as a team the whole time. Tick the qualities that you think are required to make a good team. Yes, it's a easy one. So which all qualities is required to make a good team? Loyalty, of course. Cooperation, very necessary. Next one is courage. Courage is, I don't think for Vallamkali, courage is that much important. Imagination also we can leave. Beauty, beauty no need. Pride never. Politeness, yes, of course, politeness is needed when there is a team, group of people. Politeness is needed. And helpfulness, yes, helpfulness is also a quality which is needed to make a good team. So these are the words loyalty, cooperation, politeness, and helpfulness. Take all these words in the textbook, and if you got any doubt, you can ask. Till the next video, celebrate all the occasion with a full fun, happiness, and celebrate all the festival in the same manner, because these celebrations and festival really make our life colorful. So till the next video, be safe, take care, and stay blessed.